Hello, trade boosters. Yeah, I mean, I've decided to call you guys trade boosters from now on, right? So, hello, trade boosters. In this video, I'll show you guys how to trade the Nadaraya Watson indicator and the Fibonacci. Quite interesting combination, but it definitely works. All right, show you guys how it works. So first of all, the beautiful part about this strategy is that it works in all currency pairs, all like most commodities like gold, silver, and all of that. Might even work on futures and crypto. All right, but for now, I'm going to show you guys how it works on currency pairs. Now, for those of you who don't know what the Fibonacci tool is, you can find it by clicking on your tools, Fib retracement. You can click the star icon. It's going to be added to your panel over here for easy access. Cool, man. Cool. So I'm gonna draw it out, and I'll show you guys the most reliable levels. I'm gonna just drag this out here. So on the Fib tool, we have our 718, our 7618, and we have our 382. All right, according to me, these are the best Fib levels. All right, it's different for everyone, but from my personal experience, these are the best levels. So if you want to know the settings of these, these are my settings. You can copy them if you want to. And yeah, cool. So I'll show you guys. All right, now this strategy is trend based. All right, it is trend based. Now let's say, for example, trend is going down, right? You want to wait for price to break a structure. You see, price has broken the most recent low, which was this low. Price has broken it. So now you want to take your Fibonacci right here, draw it from the top to the bottom. From top to the bottom as such. Or you can draw it here. I don't know. I think that's about right. So you're going to draw your Fib from the top to the lowest point before price reversed back up. Now, there's two rules. Price needs to bounce on either of these three levels I've showed you guys, 38, 618, or 78. In this case, you can tell that price has basically bounced on our 381. It is not perfect, but it is showing signs of rejection on that level, right? Now, secondly, price needs to break out of our Bollinger Band as it is done. Once it breaks out, you want to look for a close back in, like we did have, and a potential sell. All right. Now we have a sell signal, and that was an opportunity for us to, get back into. That was an opportunity for us to get back into the market. Yeah, that was a nice win, as you can see, right? Cool. I'll show you guys another example. Now, as you can see, price has broken this second structure over here. Fib from top to the bottom right here. Now, this is interesting. You see that price is now rejecting our 678, our 786, and price our 786, and price has broken out of our band and has given us a sell signal. You can see that. That's a clear sell. Take our sell. The bottom. All right. Now, I want to say something, guys. There is no strategy on this channel that is fake. Not even one of them are fake. Everything works. It depends on what works for you best. This strategy might resonate with someone else. My previous strategy may resonate with someone else, and they might find it the best option for them. All right. So whatever strategy works for you, it works for you, and that is it. You don't need to compete with anyone. You don't need to. You get what I mean? Like whatever works for you works for you. All right. So I'm gonna show you guys one more thing. You see, price has broken this low, And now, how can we tell price has broken the low? By a close of candle. A candle has to close below the low, as this one has done. All right. Let me show you guys something, right? I want to show you guys something for people who do not wait for candle closes. Let's say, for example, right, price did not close below this low. See that low? That is a low. That was a wick close. That's just a wick. And what happens is price has a tendency of reversing when it leaves the wick. As you can see, price did not even immediately drop. It tried again. It eventually went up. That's what happens when you don't wait for candle closes. But anyway, wait for a candle close. Draw your fib from the top, from the very top to the very low, right there, and wait for price to reject at one of these levels. Price came to the 381, broke out of it, came to the 618, broke out of it, came to the 718, broke out of it, but closed back in immediately. That's a sign that there are sellers coming into the market. And then last confirmation, you want to wait for price to break out of your band like it did. And yeah, man, you want to take a sell. Take a sell. And there we go. 2.17. You get what I mean? So yeah, man, that's literally it. That's the strategy, man. I hope it works for you. It works on the 15 minutes time frame as well. Try it out. Let me know how it works for you. And yeah, man, I'll see you in the next one.